Hi guys, this is Tomiwa, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I go from this to this. So if this is something you're interested in, please keep watching. I'm starting out with stretched hair, and I'm taking this guava hair tonic spray from Afro Virtues. I'll put the link to this brand in the description box. So I'm just going to spray that all over my hair because I need a liquid of sorts to make my hair more pliant. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to take the hair growth oil, also from Afro Virtues, and I'm going to put that all over my scalp. Don't forget your edges, guys. So the next product I'm going to be using is this twist and curl pudding from African Naturalistas. Now I'm going to the back of my hair and I'm going to take out a section of it, a section that I know I'll be able to put in a ponytail easily. I'm going to spray the guava hair tonic all over that section, saturate it completely, work it into the hair. Then I'm going to take the twist and curl pudding and apply it generously to that section of hair. I'm going to brush that section down just to get rid of any lumps and bumps. Now I'm going to secure it with a hairband. Move it a little higher up, I'm going to cut out another section of hair and do the exact same thing with it. Guava hair tonic spray, twist and curl pudding, but then I'm going to detangle this section before I put it in the low ponytail because I just need it to be as flat and smooth as possible. I went on to put the front section of hair in a middle part, dividing it in half, and now I'm taking one half and putting that aside, and I'm going to be working with the other half for now. I'm going to divide that half into smaller sections and do the exact same thing we did with sections in the back with those sections in front. I try to get the hair as flat as possible, and because the front of my hair is too short to get to the back, I'm going to just hold it in place with hairpins instead of trying to add it to the ponytail at the back. To do the same thing with the other half of the front of my hair, and now I'm taking my Gorilla Snot gel and just applying it all over the hair just to get it to lay down even flatter and get rid of any flyaways. Now I'm going to take an old toothbrush and use it to lay my edges. I'm tying my silk scarf around my head, and actually it's silk scarves because yes, we mean serious business over here, so we're using 2 scarves. 30 minutes later, I'm taking out my scarves, and yeah, it's as laid as possible. Now I have this Afro puff ponytail clip on that I made myself, so I'm just going to attach that to my teeny little bun in the back of my head. And that is it, you guys. That is all. Please let me know if you enjoyed this video. Like it, subscribe, share it with your friends and family, and leave a comment or two. Bye.